Hi everyone, so today we have this box. I will just here unbox this one. This is a robot cleaner for the window. So I will put here the brand name. So let's open. I just want to open for you guys to see how it is inside this one, what it comes. So this is, as you can see, it's a PuRuiKai. It's some strange name, but okay. So this is it, and let's see what this has inside. Okay, seems we have here the manual. Then I guess this is the security rope for the robot itself. So we can open it. So as you can see, it's the robot. It has here already the cleaning stuff, and I think this is it, at least for the robot itself. Then we have here a bottle, I guess, for water. I think we have replacements if we want to. I don't know how many we have, but we have here two and two, so 2, 4, 6, 8, so 8 pairs plus the ones that the robot itself has. We have here the remote controller if you want for yourself to maneuver it, and the charger, I think, yes, the charger, and the cable as well for the other side of the charger. And as you can see, basically this is it. So there is not many things. I think the main thing it's the robot itself. As you can see, it's this PuRuiKai. So here it's the covers. We can take it off just to see on and off, and that's it. So probably, I don't know if it will have battery or not. No, I think this should be with, I need to turn it on. And do we have battery? No, doesn't seem so. So probably we'll need to recharge it. I hope this has battery. But it should have battery. I think so. I will put here in the description all the details of these, the specifications. So I think it has battery. I don't recall now, but almost for sure it should have. I think I would not miss it that. So yeah, the adapter, power cord, here all the steps. Then I will as well make a video like with the results before and after, because I want as well to show you guys if this is any good or not. My windows are very dirty, so you will be able to see if it cleans anything or not. So for now, I just wanted to do this unboxing for you guys to see what it has and what not. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow if you want to follow the channel. I will do a follow-up for the cleanup, so you will see at some point soon, in a week or so, another video for the windows cleaning, before, after, and so on. So please tune in and check this one. So thanks a lot, and see you in the next one.